speaking of bees and flowers, I think it's time to draw. Come on down. All right, so today we're gonna try to draw a bee. So what are we gonna need? We're gonna need a pencil. We're gonna need a couple of crayons and a piece of paper. So as always, let's start with our pencil so we can draw our outline. And if we make mistakes or we wanna change something, we can just erase it. All right, so for this bee, we're gonna try something kind of easy or easier. We're gonna draw a circle. Yeah, that looks like a bee body. If you wanted to, it doesn't matter. We need a stinger. So maybe just like a pointy piece right at here. And then we need some wings. So maybe we'll just do a big loop on top, like an upside down U. And maybe we'll do another one. There, it has 2 wings. We want to add some feet. So maybe I'll just do a line down here and like that, and I'll bend it. And maybe I'll do another one here. And then we'll do one over here because we'll say that it's behind the bee. Then we need to make a face. So we'll do a kind of a curvy line for a smile. Whoop. And a little dot for his eye. And then what do bees have that other animals don't really have? I wonder. Stripes! Yeah! So let's add some stripes. And I'm just drawing this bee the way that I think I'd like to draw this bee. And you could draw your bee the way you want to draw your bee. We're just going to do this one together. So I'm going to take my black crayon and I'm going to do the outline of the bee. So I'm going to trace the outside because I like how this bee is shaping up to look. So I'm going to trace the outside. Ooh, big pointy stinger. Look at that. We got a leg. And we got another leg. And another leg. And we'll go all the way up. Oh, it looks great. We'll do the lines for the stripes. And maybe we'll close off these wings here. Oh, look at that. Oh, we gotta do the big eye. Ah, and a big smile. Eeh, look at that guy. All right, now we get to color it. Look how easy that was. And you could do more stripes if you want. You can make it an oval so it's longer. You could do anything you'd like because drawing is what you want it to be. That's what we call art. It's something from you. Maybe I'll just draw little lines here for the wings. And maybe I'll draw another leg over here because maybe he has 4 legs. And now I can color it in with this cool yellow color. So maybe I'll go like this. Look at that. It's starting to look like a real bee. And it doesn't need to be perfect. It never needs to be perfect. It just needs to be from you. And you know what? I'm actually going to color this one really dark so it could be like a yellow stripes and black stripes. It'd be stripes together. Look at this. And maybe his stinger is kind of black too, like a stripe. And if you want to color its wings, you can color its wings. And this is my bumblebee. I can't wait to see what you draw. Well, that was fun. And don't forget, you can practice this too. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be from you.